My name is Ulfani. I'm third semester student of English Study Program at STKP Permanent Talino Magang. At this time, I will talk about the importance of education for our national development. As we know, education is very important in our life. Education is a process of self-development in which our potential is really honed and developed so that we can achieve success. And as citizens, we'll have the same right to get education. However, today our education is increasingly complicated by various problems and constraints, such as the lack of educational infrastructure, quality education, and many other problems. This is very impactful for the country's development in national development. The problem for us is how best to achieve our national development goals. The answer, of course, through education. And for that, here I will emphasize more on the importance of improving the quality of education to achieve our national development goals. Education is very closely related to national development because it is through education that quality young generations are created for the progress of country. Therefore, education is an important sector in any country. State readiness to achieve national development goals begin through education, where the creation of good and quality human resources is through the education process. By paying attention to the quality of the education, we certainly have a strong readiness to achieve our national development goals. In this case, we can see that education plays a very big role in the country with the aim of national development. Therefore, we cannot underestimate education as a forum to develop our potential for a more developed and advanced national future. Besides the importance of education in our national development, the obstacles and problems in the educational process that we face, of course, not easily resolved. We must cooperate to continue advancing education in the country. Because with the disruption of the education, this certainly has an impact on the national development process in our country. The quality of education also determines the level of our national development. If we do not have the next generation who is smarter, the country will find it difficult to achieve national development goals. Furthermore, it is through education that we are formed and equipped with the ability and knowledge to be able to organize ourselves well and have good character. National development requires a generation capable of taking Indonesia to be better and more advanced direction. As citizens, by taking education, we have participated in the national development of our country, and we are enabled to become individuals who have high intelligence and integrity in facing the times. If our quality in education is low, we will not be anything in a globalized world. The conclusion is that every country needs education as a way to bring progress and enlightenment to the country. Education plays an important role in building country because from there every individual is educated and trained to be able to progress and develop. Therefore, once again, I emphasize that education is a very important to develop oneself, to participate in becoming citizens, and especially to take a part in our national development. This is where we, as the young generation who are currently pursuing education, must truly become qualified human resources to be part of the national development for the welfare and progress of our country. It is our duty to continue learning to advance the quality of education in our country because the quality education will produce the quality of the young generations. Thank you.